for you guys. That means it's high jumper time, and we got some high jumper dogs. Now, as I mentioned, all of our dogs are rescued from animal shelters. Angel was rescued because her owner said she had a problem jumping the fences and running away. So when I heard how much this dog liked to jump, I adopted her right away, and we built a high jump to see just how high we could get her to jump. And we were very quickly surprised at the amazing heights she was jumping. We featured her on Animal Planet's Pet Star, a few other TV shows and programs, and she's been jumping all these years. And then along comes Skylar, who says he thinks he can jump higher than Angel. He's going to bring Skylar out. And we said, you think this little dog's going to jump higher than our high jumping Angel? And sure enough, Skylar said, yeah, he wants to compete against her and see who can jump higher. And we said, sure, no problem. This is no competition at all whatsoever. So we're going to do a little competition here between these two dogs and see what they can do. You guys ready? Okay. Now, our wonderful assistants here, Nicholas and Gage, are going to be kind enough to help us with the poles. They were the ones running around here getting you guys warmed up. We're going to round of applause for our helpers. Okay, let's set this first pole down here. It looks like it's about 12 inches. We're going to start getting these dogs to go over this. Angel, good girl. Okay, let's see what Skylar can do. I can make that over, no problem. Okay, you guys can put that pole on the water for us? We're going to go up about another 4 inches. Our dogs are looking for tennis balls. You'll notice after each time they're going to jump, we're going to toss them their ball as a reward. And the reason for this is because we're out here playing with our dogs. This is their favorite toy. We don't need to motivate them with food. We motivate them with fun. Everything our dogs out here doing today, they are doing because this is what they love to do. Okay, let's get it back up just a little bit. Okay, it's about 16 inches. Okay, she makes it over easily. No problem, Rachel. She can walk right over that. Okay, Skylar. No problem. All right, boys. Kind of a little bit higher. Okay, ready? About 14 inches at the shoulder. This pole up here is about 24 inches. Now this is already almost 10 inches over his other shoulder height. Nicely done. Alright, let's get up a little bit higher. Alright, ready for this? Here we go. Skylar? We're just going to call those warm-up jumps. We're going to turn the heat up now. We're really going to move these poles up high. I think we got this first pole up here now. This is about 3 feet. This is over twice his shoulder height. Well over twice his shoulder height. And a bit more than over hers. All right, let's get this competition really going.
All right, now we're missed by little Angel. Well, that's not good. You want to give her one more try? I think she's intimidated by this little dog. She's been competing against her all 3 days. There she goes. Up over, apparently. The first day, no problem. Yesterday, she won a couple, but boy, I tell you, this little dog right here can really jump. Right? We're getting up to about 3 times the height of this little dog. Let's put your hands together, Stockton. Let's cheer him on. Let's give him a jumping dog. I think he has a little smirk on his face. He just winked at Angel. Angel, are you going to do this? You ready to get her up it?
It looks like a little jack.
Think she can make it? What do you think, audience? Can we get her up high enough? She is one of the highest jumping dogs in the country from a city position. There it is. All competition a little bit evened up. We've got a high jumping little Jack Russell. This is Skylar. And we're going to see why his name is one of the reasons. Is he up? He's up! More than 3 times his natural height.
Oh my God.
Angel's got some competition. Look, she doesn't want to look at him. All right, Sonia, what do you think? We got one of the highest jumping dogs in the country from a sitting position with lots of competition from Skylar today. Stockton, put your hands together. Let's keep this competition going. Oh, Skylar in there. Whoa, take that, Skylar. Skylar doesn't even care. All right, we're going to go just a little higher. Oh, he hasn't jumped this yet. All right. All right, more than 3 times his height. He's 9 years old. He's multi-talented. You'll see him later in the show. Stockton, encourage him. Put our hands together. Let's go, let's go. Very good. Angel, you might get one if you get this one. You might get a win today. You guys, we just went higher. I don't know, can they go that high? You tell me. What do you guys think, Stockton? You want to see it? We can give it a shot. We're at the top height. This is twice, 2.5 times Angel's height. And we got little Skylar. All right, Angel. Stockton, put your hands together. Oh, should we give her another try? What do you guys think? Over here, you want to see one more try? She got one in her? What do you think, Sonia? All right. Everybody put these hands together. Oh my goodness, 52 inches. Well, Stacy, we've seen him outclass Angel a bunch of times this week. You think we can get him up and over that one? She's going to give it the college try. 9 years old. We've seen him do it before. Stockton, she's warming him up. She's giving him some encouragement. Let's put our hands together. This is more than 3.5 times his height. When he's ready, he's ready. Maybe a little bit more room here. Come on, Stockton, let's get him up and over here. This will be a magnificent jump if you can hit it. Little Skylar, put our hands together, get up there, Skylar! Well, we don't want to go too high. This is always the same for the dogs who are our best first. Let's give it up to the winner of the high jumping at 11 o'clock show, Angel, and a big hand for Skylar and Stacy. We'll just see them with the fly ball.
Oh, wow, this little guy can show us amazing heights. Both these dogs rescued from animal shelters. Both of them living proof. We should look at her. Some water on her tennis-ball. And these 2 dogs are living proof of what you can do if you have a dog at home that you think has a problem or bad behavior. You might be able to creatively turn around and do something really fun, exciting, and rewarding, just like we did with Angel and Skylar.
All right, you guys ready for a little more this dog action? Well, we've got a border collie that we rescued. We told you about him earlier. You just saw him jump a rope. He's one of our highest jumping, fastest dogs, and we're going to finish the show with 2 dogs at once. We'll bring little Charlie back out. Do you guys want to see it? Do you really want to see it? Give us just a second. We'll get it ready.
All right, you've seen them performing everywhere from Disneyland to Disney World and everywhere in between. Please put your hands together for Rockin' Ray and his amazing Bolt. His amazing slow out of the gate, Bolt. Here